Hey my loves, for today's video we're going to be doing this watermelon inspired look right here using the new Glamlite Burger palette. So if you guys want to see how I did it, then please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this brow pen by Ilmakiage and I'm just going to fill in my brows. Next I'll be taking my favorite concealer, which is the Makeup Waterproof Concealer by 𝒟𝒾𝓈𝓸𝓃, and I'm going to clean up my brows as well as use this as a base for my eyeshadow. Next, with the Glamlite Burger palette, I'm going to be picking up the shade Ketchup and I'm going to apply that all in my crease area. Next, I'll be picking up the shade Tomatoes to really blend out this one. And with my fingers, I'm just going to apply the shade Ketchup all over my lid. Next, on a liner brush, I'm going to be taking some of that same concealer and I'm going to draw on as if I would an eyeliner wing. Next, on a flat brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Spinach and I'm going to be setting that concealer with it. And I'm going to be taking this Urban Decay white liner and I'm just going to draw this above the green line. And next, taking this black liner by Ilmakiage, I'm going to be drawing on small little, I guess you can call them ovals to resemble watermelon seeds. And of course, they don't all have to be perfect. They can be any size and shape you want them to be. And next, with the same Urban Decay liner, I'm just going to draw a white line right at the edge of each one of them. Next, I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with the same green spinach color. And next, I'll be taking this Creme Gel Liner by ColourPop and adding that to my waterline. For mascara, I'm going to be using this one by Ilmakiage, and to be honest, this is one of my new favorites. For lashes, I'll be using these ones by Stella Lashes. Aren't these gorgeous? To highlight the inner corner, I'll be using the shade called Lettuce. For primer today, I'll be using the one by 𝒟𝒾𝓈𝓃𝓉. For foundation, I'll be using this one by Ilmakiage in the shade 70. For concealer, I'll be using this one in the shade Vanilla. Now for setting powder, I'm going to be using this one by 𝒟𝒾𝓈𝓃𝓉. And to contour, I'll be using this one by Anastasia Beverly Hills. For blush, I'll be using the Peach shade by 𝒟𝒾𝓈𝓃𝓉, as well as this Illuminator to highlight. For lips, I'm going to be using this Infinity Longwear Matte Lip Cream in the shade Matte Geisha. And this is such a beautiful red. I really love this lip color. Next, I'll be adding some watermelon seeds to my lips with the same technique that I did for my eyes. With this NYX Vivid Brights liner, I'm just going to underline the bottom lip. And to highlight the collarbone, I'm going to be taking this mineral powder by Ilmakiage. So this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's very simple, very cute, and I think it's perfect for summer. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed week, and we'll see you next time.